Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most kind and most merciful. And this is me, Sama Markan, and I'm the student of Sindh University campus, Larkana, from the English department. And I'm the student of MA previous to K20 page. And this is my video presentation of the drama subjects. And my video presentation topics are. So let's move to the slides. My presentation topics are characters of the Oedipus Rex, biography of William Shakespeare, summary of Dr. Faustus, and the Hamlet, themes of Hamlet. So move to the first topics. So that is the characters of the Oedipus Rex. Is these following are the characters of the Oedipus Rex? Is Oedipus Rex, Laius, Jocasta, Creon, Polybus, Mero, Ismene, Antigone, Polynices, Eteodes, Thrasis, Apollo, and Shepherd of Laius, and messenger of Corinth. So Oedipus Rex. It is one of the main character of the drama Oedipus because he is the protagonist or the hero of the drama, and he was the Theban prince by birth, but he believed that his parents are the king and queen of the Merope city, and he was also the king. He became the king of the Thebes city. And the literally meaning of the Oedipus Rex is silent foot, and he saved the Thebes city from the Sphinx by solving the riddle. And the other character is King Laius. As King Laius, he was the father of Oedipus Rex, and he was also the former king of the Thebes city, and he was killed by his own son, as predicted by the Apollo. Another character is the Jocasta. Is that Jocasta? She was the mother as well as the wife of the Oedipus Rex, and she was the widow of the King Laius, and she was the prince of the Thebes city, and she again became the queen of the Thebes city, and she was the sister of Creon. In Creon, the Creon, he was a brother-in-law of the Oedipus Rex. He was the brother of the Jocasta, and he was threatened by the Oedipus that you are conspiring against me because of the throne, and later he was handed the throne by the Oedipus Rex. In the Polybus, as Polybus, he was the foster, or we can say the stepfather of the Oedipus Rex, and he was the king of Corinth city. And Nero is Nero. She was also the foster mother or stepmother of the Oedipus Rex, and she was the queen of the Corinth city. Is Ismene and Antigone, Polynices, and Eteodes, these four are the children of the Oedipus Rex from his wife as well as his mother, Jocasta, and Ismene and daughters. These both are the Ismene and Antigone, these both are the daughters of the Oedipus Rex, where the Polynices and Eteodes, these both are the son of the Oedipus Rex. And Thrasis, he was the blind prophet who can see the future, who can predict the future, and he was the servant of the Apollo. And Thrasis told the people that you will be blind, you will be destroyed. And Apollo, he was the sun god and healer god. And Apollo, people of Thebes got advices from the Apollo, and they also get advices from the Apollo for saving the Thebes city. And the shepherds of the Laius was that character who discloses the truth to the Oedipus Rex, and he told him that you are that baby that was hinted to, and that I hinted to the queen and king of the Corinth. In messenger of the Corinth, as messenger of the Corinth, he came from the Corinth. And he discloses, and he told the Oedipus Rex that Queen Merope and King Polybus, these was your step parents, these was your foster parents, not the real parents. And the second topic is the William Shakespeare. Is William Shakespeare is the great dramatist of the Elizabethan era, and he is also known as the national poet of the England. He was not only the dramatist but also actor, poet, and playwright. And he was born about 23rd April 1564 at Stratford upon Avon, and he is also known as the Bard of Avon. Bard means the poet of the Avon, and he studied at grammar school, and he died on 1660. His father name was John Shakespeare, as he was a leather merchant, and his mother name was the Mary Arden. They had 8 children, and Shakespeare was third child from them. And Shakespeare had two elder sisters and the three younger brothers. And Shakespeare got married with a lady named Annie Hathaway. She was 8 years senior from the Shakespeare, and it is says that she was already present. She was already pregnant by the Shakespeare, so Shakespeare hurriedly got married with her, and he went to London in 1586. And after that, he remained 10 years separated from his family. And Shakespeare, between the 1585 to the 1592, Shakespeare began his successful career in London as an actor and a writer, and also the part owner company named the Lord Chamberlain Main. Later, it was known as the King's Main. And Shakespeare was retired in about 1630, and he was buried in the Holy Trinity Church. And most of the Shakespeare work is written during the 1589 and 1630, and only the 16 plays of the Shakespeare was published during his life. And he also introduced the new genre in the drama, that was the tragic comedy, and he has written 37 or the 38 plays, and he has written the 11 tragedies, 17 comedies, and 124 sonnets. And the two long narrative poems, these are the Venus and Adonis, which is a love poem, and the other one is a Lap of Lucy Racy. And the literary work, now the literary work of the Francis Bacon, it is divided into the three period: early period, middle period, and the late period. Is early period start from 1590 to the 1596, and it includes the history, also the comedies as well as the tragedies. And the history's plays are the Henry VI three plays, Richard II and Richard three, and comedies of the errors, two gentlemen of the Vernola, and two tragedies, Titus, Romeo and Juliet. In the middle period, starts from 1596 to the 1608, and it includes the Henry six two plays, Henry five, and the comedies. The comedies are the Merchant of Venus, Timing of the Shrew, Merry Wives of the Windsor, As You Like It. And the last period of the William Shakespeare is from the 1608 to the 1630, and it includes the Winter's Tale in Henry VIII. And now my third topic is the summary of the Dr. Faustus. Is Dr. Faustus is written by the Christopher Marlowe, and it is the famous tragedy of the Christopher Marlowe. Is the Dr. Faustus is a story about the Faustus character who lived in the Wittenberg, Germany, and he has got the every kind of knowledge of that time, but he was not satisfied, and he was saying that after getting so much knowledge, still he is common man. So he wanted to learn the new things. So he decided that he would learn the black magic, and he called his servant Wagner to ask him about the persons that can learn him the black magic. So Wagner called the valets and the Cornelius to the Faustus and introduced him, and he learned the black magic from these people, and they also gave them the books of the black magics. And during this time, the two angels, good angel as well as the bad angels, appear before the Faustus, and the good angel was discouraging Faustus not to learn the black magic, whereas the bad angel was encouraging the Faustus that learn the black magic. And then his two friends of the of scholars came, and they wanted to meet the Dr. Faustus, but his Wagner, who was the servant, He told them that Faustus is learning the black magic, and after knowing that, they became worried about the Faustus, and they said that we will inform that thing about the Faustus to the about the Faustus, the university, about the beginners, and about the valet and the Cornelius. And as the valet and Cornelius, he said him that you went to the barren place and experiment on the black magic as he was performing experiments. So he called the Mephistopheles as the Mephistopheles. He was the servant of the Lucifer, and Faustus called him that, said him that you obey my commands, but he refused him that I can only obey the commands of my master, and master, that is the Lucifer. And then Faustus offered him his soul to the Lucifer, that I will give my soul for the 24 years to you, and then he went to his master Lucifer and about his deal, and he told them, after giving them my soul, I will want to get the unlimited power in the knowledge. Then again, the again Dr. Faustus, he was sitting in his study room, in his study room, where again the good and bad angels appears in front of him, and again the good angel started to striking him not to learn the black magics, but the bad angel insist him. And at that time the Mephistopheles come, and Mephistopheles come, and he said to him that, Lucifer has accepted your offer, and you have to uh, sign sign for this agreement with your blood. So he signed with his own blood, and then for the agreement, and now he will get the unlimited power, and Mephistopheles will become his slave. And now the Faustus was asking the question from the Mephistopheles that about the word, and then he asked him that who is the creator of the word, but he became silent, and he didn't reply about him, and he said to the Faustus that this is against our deal. Then he gave Faustus some books of the astronomy, and then again the bad and good angels appears, and they pursue as the good angel pursued him to return back and give forgiveness from the God. and and Faustus was going to get towards the God, and asking him from the forgiveness. So at that time Mephistopheles came along with the Lucifer and Beelzebub, and Mephistopheles, as Lucifer said to him that you had made the agreement, and that is against our sin. And at that time, he introduced him the seven deadly sin, and also gave him some new books of the black magics. Then Faustus desired to visit the Rome, and he went to the Rome, and there he teases and make fun of the Pope, and make fun of the Pope. And after that, he was also called to the Charles Five in the court, in his court, and he went in his court, and he means the Charles Five desire him to see the Alexander Pope the Great, and with the black magic, with the help of the black magic, Faustus shows him the Alexander the Pope. And after that, Faustus moved towards he was called to the Duke of the Benhold, and he went there, and he was entertaining them with his black magic. And then Faustus said to the Duke, the Duchess of the Benhold, that you demand me from anything, I would complete it. So the Duchess of the Benhold, she demands of the grapes, but that was not the time of the grapes. And with the help of the Mephistopheles, he brought the grapes, and that was very tasty. And she asked him about it, from where you have brought these grapes. So he replied that there are the two parts of the world. One-sided world is in the summer, and other side of the world is a winter seasons. And after that, as the time of the Dr. Faustus agreement was about to completed, and he has just wasted his time on entertaining the people with the black magic. And but and after that, the Faustus has also demanded the beautiful lady to the Mephistopheles, that was the Helen. he demands of that. And then the old man came, and the old man, he said to the Faustus that ask forgiveness from God. And at that time Faustus agrees. And when he was going to forget forgiveness from the God, so at that time Lucifer came to him, and he had Lucifer came in and drag out his soul towards the hell. So in this way, the doctors Faustus came to his the tragic end in the morning. Faustus' friend came and saw his limbs, and they decided to his funeral. So here the story summary of the Doctor Faustus ends. And my last topic is the themes of the drama. Hamlet drama is written by the Shakespeare, and it is one of the his popular drama. And there are the three major themes of the Hamlet drama: revenge, loyalty, and the betrayal. Is revenge is the most one of the most prominent theme of the drama. It is shown from the name of the drama is Hamlet is a revenge tragedy that it shows that it is the revenge tragedy. So the revenge is the most important theme of the drama, and it is also clear from the scenes of the drama uh, that Hamlet wanted to get revenge of his father's death from his uncle Claudius, and also Lares want to take revenge from the Hamlets because he has mistakenly killed his fathers. And but the revenge theme of the drama leads the Hamlet, but the revenge theme of the drama leads the Hamlet his death and all the characters' death. In the second one, major theme is the loyalty, and in this drama, it is shown that there are the different characters who are very loyal to their family, especially their fathers. Is Hamlet was very loyal to his fathers, and he wanted to uh, take revenge of his fathers because of the loyalty. And beside that, Horatio, he was his friend. He also was very loyal to him, and he also and the Lares was also loyal to his father. And other one is a betrayal. Is this is the this is also another important theme of the drama. And it is also shown by the many character of the drama that different characters is betrayed to each other's. Is Claudius is betrayed to his brother by killing him because of the kingship.